This is a 65-foot catamaran research vessel. We've been working on this project for about 5 years now, from design to construction and delivery. It's a research vessel that's allowing about 10,000 students a year to come out and study Long Island Sound. And hybrid propulsion system, no emissions, very green vessel that we've designed and built at Director Shipyard over the past 2 years.
We're really thrilled to have a boat that's going to be quiet, that will use 75% less energy than our old vessel, and will carry more than twice the number of kids. So it's quite a boat for us, the Spirit of the Sound.
Two of the major components of our mission are to educate people about Long Island Sound and to protect Long Island Sound. And so having a vehicle that represents the most modern technology, but also the greenest technology, allows us to do that in a beautiful way. It supports our mission.
This is a lithium polymer hybrid system that is unlike anything that's out there right now. It's the first of its kind on a research boat. This is our first experience with a hybrid vessel, and so far it's been a positive one. We hope to be building a lot more of these types of vessels and continually improving on the hybrid system as we go.
Take the system as it's applied on the bus and translate it and integrate it into a boat. So as a system, when you take a look at it, all the hardware is the same. It's easy to say it's a cut and paste from what goes on the bus to what goes on the boat, because if we take you into the engine room and start to point out the components, it looks exactly as if we're in the engine compartment in the bus. So there's a tremendous foundation of that intellectual property that has continued to grow. And that's the technical heart of why we're here. And then when you take all the lessons learned that we've accumulated over the years since the early to mid-90s to where we are today, those lessons learned are also applied. So that's more of the systems integration role. So when you couple the intellectual property and that strength of what we've developed technically with the lessons learned in our sound systems engineering process, you put that together, and that's why we're a good partner.
We were tasked by the people that were making the charitable contributions to build the boat, to build the greenest vessel that we could. We took technology from BAE Hybrid that was used in 2,500 buses across the United States to make that technology applicable to a marine propulsion system application.
When you get on this boat, the system doesn't necessarily behave as it does on the bus. It actually is more of a true variable speed genset or power generator that has batteries for the primary energy source.
When we came into Norwalk first on Wednesday night, I think everyone was in a little bit of shock because they couldn't hear anything as the boat was pulling in. So every comment we've gotten so far is, turn your engines on. And we respond in the same easy manner as they are on.